You were told to save every penny. That money doesn't grow on trees. That debt is evil. But what if I told you those lessons weren't financial literacy? They were financial fiction. Inherited myths passed down from well-meaning parents, teachers, and society at large. Today, those outdated scripts might still be running the show, quietly influencing how you spend, save, or sabotage your own financial growth. In today's video, we will peel back the psychology of 10 financial lies you were likely told as a child that could be keeping you broke as an adult. And by the end, you'll know how to rewrite your money story for good. Welcome back to the official FinFlix channel. If this sparks something in you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone rewriting their money story too. Let's jump in. First up, money doesn't grow on trees. This saying teaches scarcity, the belief that money is rare, luck-based, and always in short supply. That if you want more, someone else must lose. This mindset breeds fear. Fear of spending, fear of investing, fear of abundance. But money isn't a resource you pluck from nature, it's a byproduct of value creation. Every day, people generate wealth by solving problems, offering services, and creating innovations. When you internalize this, you shift from a passive victim of financial lack to a participant in financial growth. Next slide, just work hard and you'll be rich. This is rooted in the Protestant work ethic and the myth of meritocracy. Yes, hard work matters, but plenty of people hustle endlessly and never get ahead. Why, you might ask? Because without financial literacy, leverage, strategic risk, and income diversification, hustle alone won't build wealth. We reward working smart, not just working hard. And believing otherwise can make you resentful of rest, allergic to passive income, and stuck in cycles of burnout. Reframe it like this: hard work builds character, but smart systems build freedom. Then we get to the most financially costly fable of all: buy a house as soon as you can. This was good advice in 1970, but today it's outdated dogma. Home ownership can be powerful when the timing, market, and numbers align. But rushing into it from fear of throwing away rent often leads to debt burdens that limit your flexibility and investment capacity. Renting isn't failure, it's financial strategy when done intentionally. Focus on net worth, not just ownership. Lie 4, debt is bad. Many of us were taught this through shame, watching parents fight over bills, religious warnings against borrowing, or cultural taboos around owing money. But debt is simply a tool. Yes, bad debt is real. High-interest consumer loans and impulsive credit card use are dangerous. But strategic debt like business loans, mortgage, or credit used for travel hacking can create leverage. Fear of all debt leads to underbuilding credit, missing opportunities, and staying small. The key is education, not avoidance. Then comes the silent killer: never talk about money. This lie keeps families, friendships, and entire communities financially illiterate. When we don't talk about salaries, debt, or investing, we stay stuck in secrecy and shame. The wealthy talk about money early and often. Breaking this taboo is liberating, not rude. Knowledge shared becomes power multiplied. Lie 6, save everything, spend nothing. It sounds responsible, but this is fear-based frugality. It comes from trauma, instability, or watching loved ones struggle. It teaches us to hoard, to feel guilty when we spend on ourselves, and to mistrust abundance. But inflation eats idle money. Investing and intentional spending grow it. You don't have to be reckless, you just have to be strategic. Give every dollar a job. If this is already blowing up what you thought you knew about money, hit that like button. It helps more people find the truth and break free from these old scripts. Next myth: go to college and you'll be financially set. In the past, this was true. Now, skyrocketing tuition and a shifting job market have changed the game. Many degrees don't guarantee high-paying jobs. Meanwhile, trades, certifications, and entrepreneurial paths are booming. Education matters, but it doesn't always come with a diploma. It comes through problem-solving, network building, and adaptability. Don't romanticize outdated formulas. Lie 8, credit cards are dangerous. Only if you treat them like cash you don't have. The real danger isn't the card, it's misuse. Responsible credit builds your score, unlocks perks, and protects against fraud. Avoiding credit altogether can limit your financial options down the line. Learn the rules. Then play like a pro. Lie 9, stick with one job your whole life. Loyalty to a single employer once came with pensions and gold watches. Now? It often means stagnant wages. Strategic job hopping, especially early in your career, can lead to higher earnings, better skills, and financial freedom. Don't stay stuck out of habit. Reinvent yourself. And finally, talking about money is greedy. This belief, often rooted in religious or cultural shame, keeps people undervaluing their worth. It teaches us that money is dirty and that wanting more is sinful. But here's the truth. Wanting financial freedom is not greedy. It's grounded. Fair compensation honors your skills. Negotiating doesn't mean you're selfish, it means you're self-aware. The real sin is staying small out of guilt. These 10 lies didn't come from bad people. They came from a world that was trying to protect you. But the world has changed, and so must the script. These money scripts were written in childhood. But you have the pen now, rewrite them. Replace fear with clarity, scarcity with strategy, and shame with ownership. The first step is awareness, the next is action. Drop a comment below, which lie shaped your money beliefs the most? If you got any value from this video or it challenged a belief system you have. Like this episode, subscribe for weekly truth drops, and share it with someone who's ready to rewrite their financial story. This is the official FinFlix. And we're just getting started. See you in the next video.